Hi, I'm Molly Sullivan with Golfers MD, your source for all your golf health, fitness, and injury information. Golfers are prone to frozen shoulder, which is an inflammatory condition that causes limited or reduced range of motion in the shoulder joint. Now, a frozen shoulder can be the result of injury or even disease, and the pain can often cause golfers limited mobility and misplay. Today, we visit with Dr. Michael Meow, sports medicine orthopedic surgeon, to tell us more about frozen shoulder.
Frozen shoulder or adhesive capsulitis is a stiffening of the shoulder. While we don't have a specific reason why it occurs, it is associated with certain medical diagnoses like diabetes and hypothyroidism. Athletes who have frozen shoulder typically will start off with pain and stiffness. The pain will usually resolve, leaving the stiffness behind. The treatment for frozen shoulder is typically a referral to a physical therapist for appropriate stretching exercises. The athlete with frozen shoulder will typically be able to return to play once the pain resolves. The stiffness that is left will take some time, possibly weeks or months, to recover the full motion. Once that athlete is able to recover his motion, he will be able to return more effectively to his sport.
It can take literally up to 2 years to recover from a frozen shoulder. It can also take as little as 4 to 8 weeks to recover from a frozen shoulder. I'd say 8 weeks. There's two types of frozen shoulders. The ones that it results from an injury, it gets stiff and painful because it's been immobilized. And then there's one that just comes on. It's called idiopathic frozen shoulder. Those are probably the worst because we really don't know why it comes on, and it does tend to disappear. Really haven't seen anybody with a frozen shoulder longer than 2 years, but it really requires a lot of intensive rehab, a lot of hands-on stretching, mobilization, and strengthening exercises to get the shoulder back.
Be sure to keep these tips in mind when you prepare for sports and want to stay strong and healthy. I'm Molly Sullivan with GolfersMD.com. Remember, at GolfersMD, health equals performance.